All right, we're doing a little unboxing video here for PROFORM's part number 66516. This is the Pinion depth setting tool. Here it is, just got it out of the box. Open it up, instruction sheet here. All sorts of good stuff, information one's gonna need to get this done. Got your micrometer here. It's pretty handy. Yep, nice smooth motion. I like that. And in this box, we got all the goodies, all the billet stuff. Let's see if we can get into this thing. All right, so in here, what do we got? We got all sorts of stuff. All right, we got some hardware. Let's get into these bags. It's always a little bit challenging, all this packaging, but it keeps it nice and safe. So let's see, we got some, these are some extensions for the micrometer. 3 of them actually. You got 3 different length extensions here. You just unscrew this little part here. The bottom, it's on pretty tight right now, but that unscrews. These screw in there, that gives you those. This here holds the gauge itself to the tool. This is part of the adjustability. And then we got all sorts of goodies here, all the billet, measuring parts and components. Let's take a look at these. Ooh, these are nice. We got 3 different lengths here, which coincides with the 3 different micrometers. Yeah, these are pretty sweet. Really dig these. You can get up nice and close. Really good quality. Yeah, it's nice. A couple more pieces. Otherwise, this is just a plastic bag central. Yeah, but we got a few more. Look at these up close. Nice anodized finish, as you can see. Nice smooth. This is going to be good. So, in summation, once we get all these bags out of the way, you end up with a nice looking, let's see if we can make it look real pretty here. Kind of, there we go. We got some of that action. We got these guys, this guy, put the gauge in there. All these little guys like this, put that there. This little guy here probably screws into that. These in there. Got your instruction sheet. Voila, the universal Pinion depth setting tool, PROFORM part 66516. Check it out.